Yo, welcome back to the channel Crypto Nitro community. Ladies and gentlemen, Pepecoin, as you guys already know, it has had a remarkable run. Literally has been reaching a cap around what? We got about $6 billion, and it has largely been driven by meme momentum and major exchange listings. But it lacks one thing: no real utility, and the excitement, obviously, it is officially cooling off. So the upside, you guys, it now appears to be limited. All right, with most technically estimating, or let's say suggesting, a maximum potential of around 5x current levels. So obviously the hype wave, it is fading, and without fuel, you guys, it is hard to imagine the next big run. All right, and if we actually take a look here, you guys can even see, look, this thing's already blown up like crazy. Obviously it came down quite a bit, holding strong levels, and it's slowly trying to reach its way back up there. Trying. All right, so remember, total supply 420 trillion. We got current price. Okay, obviously it is a little expensive now. Point all these zeros, then 1434. And I want you guys to understand, market cap around 6 billion, right? So we're talking about a 5x would be like 30 billion, which is absolutely massive. All right, but listen, we got another meme coin technically on the block known as Mind a Pepe. Current price is sitting at what is that, 0.0037515. Okay, so Mind a Pepe technically approaching the end of its pre-sale phase. Okay, not to mention the project technically centers around AI powered terminal, which is designed to support investors with let's say market pattern recognition. It's got alpha calls and trading insights. Now, once the terminal launches, early investors will actually receive priority access through the long-term impact. Obviously, it's going to be all depending on the real world usage here. Okay, so once again, you guys, this probably go in 3 different ways here, but short-term pool, you guys, or let's say the short-term post-launch, let's just call it that. I want you guys to understand, we're talking about like 0.005 to 0.007. Obviously, possible hype, base spike could kind of blow this thing up, right? And we even have midterm realistic range, talking about 0.002 to 0.004. Obviously, connection. This is possible if some of the AI tools here are actually adopted and used. All right, then obviously long term, which is extremely optimistic, is talking about 0.01. We're talking about a penny, and that is if this becomes widely used and adopted. So obviously, guys, if you're actually tired of the hype with, say, no substance, we got Pepe and we got Mind a Pepe. They're starting to slow down. Okay, but we got another project known as Pepeto, which is literally just getting started. It's fueled by untold stories, insider rumors, and real utility that could actually turn early believers into the biggest winners. So I would like to introduce you to what is known as Pepeto. All right, so Pepeto, you guys already know that Pepe, technically it rose pretty fast. I remember when this actually blew up right here, you guys, and I had a chance to actually buy it. But anyways, you guys, it left behind its own origins, all right? And technically someone that was watching, right? That someone is Pepeto, right? Pepeto definitely has been watching Pepe. I want you guys, we're talking about the god of the frogs, right? So obviously it's now live. We have this pre-sale. We have all these zeros, and then the point, we got the 131, right? Not to mention, Pepeto isn't just another meme coin, and it's actually a symbol, let's say, of revenge, truth, and value. So according to the legend, guys, Pepe stole the 4 documents. However, he left 2 of the important documents, right? He stole them and he ran. He left 2 of them, okay? And he did all this without purpose, all right? But Pepeto technically has been, it's waited, holding on to what Pepe never earned, all right? And we're talking about the official, the T and the O, right? The T and the O, technology and optimism, okay? So that actually what is making this thing special. All right. So listen, you guys, I want you guys to understand in 2025, I mean, meme coins, I mean, they can't really rely on hype alone. They need utility, vision, and a reason to exist. All right. So Pepeto's value, it's about to actually speak loud. So you guys, if you could go back in time, like I should have, and buy Pepe, I mean, listen, you guys, look at the current price, right? So imagine if you actually put in, $10,000 right now, okay? You guys, that could actually turn into over $1 million if Pepeto actually reaches the same price as Pepe. I want you guys to understand that. So obviously Pepeto, it's backed by a real infrastructure, a mission, and a storyline, right? It's got like a dedicated exchange just for meme coins, a bridge tech for easy cross-chain trading, and zero-fee swap platform made for traders. So we're talking about a community-driven mission built on truth and redemption. Okay. Once again, you guys, if you actually just kind of put in right now and buy, say for $10,000 worth, I mean, if it reaches the same price as Pepe, I mean, you guys, we're talking about literally $1 million return. I mean, they literally have the exact same supply. And speaking of that, you guys, there's been a lot of rumors here for Pepeto. I mean, growing that an ex-founder of Pepe was actually pushed out before the official launch. And I remembered, I think there was a lot of issues with wallets actually being blacklisted. But anyways, he was betrayed and silenced, and he was held back. He waited and returned with what is known as Pepeto. All right. So claiming the two letters, once again, the T and the O, right, which is very important. Okay. But I want you guys to understand, I mean, that is why the day that Pepeto actually lists is being called the day of redemption. All right. Once again, it's got the same supply as Pepe, 420 trillion tokens, right? So it's not just another token, you guys. It's literally it's a comeback, it's the revenge, and an opportunity only shows up once. All right. Now, I also want you guys to understand there's a lot of whales that have been watching this project. So whale trackers, they have reported significant Pepeto activity with high net worth investors accumulating the token in anticipation of its potential. So unlike Trump, that actually saw like a rapid price increase and then a dramatic steep correction, I mean, Pepeto's utility-driven approach provides a more stable and promising growth trajectory, okay? So listen, all you got to do, you guys, easy and simple, you're going to be able to connect your wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and Coinbase Wallet. You guys will see right here, you can buy with ETH, USDT, or BNB. That is going to be up to you, all right? So check out the links down below and do not miss out on Pepeto.